Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade Asana Project Management Cloud, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your Asana Project Management Cloud, start by navigating to the Asana website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate your workspace or organization in the top left corner. Click on the workspace name to reveal the drop-down menu. Select Upgrade from the options provided in the menu. You will be directed to the pricing page where various plans are displayed. Review the features and pricing of each plan carefully. Choose the plan that best suits your project management needs. Click on the Get Started or Select button for your chosen plan. On the next screen, you will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit card details and billing information accurately. Review the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. Once everything is verified, click the Upgrade button to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your upgrade was successful. Take some time to explore the new features available in your upgraded plan. Ensure to communicate any changes to your team to maximize efficiency. Congratulations, you have successfully upgraded your Asana Project Management Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step